Today we have one of the all-time great Mercedes ever produced, the G63 6x6. This one finished in black on the outside, a two-tone white and black interior, and by far and away one of the craziest production vehicles of all time.
Starting first on the outside, video does not do the size of the 6x6 any justice, and tons of exterior carbon fiber, including the front fender flares, on the front fenders, the light rack on the roof, the hood scoop, mirrors, and the absolutely massive rear fender flares. Silver details include the rear emblems, lower bumper extension, the bars on the bed, the side steps, front bull bar, skid plate, and the front grille. With the back tailgate open, a look at the factory bamboo wood in the rear, the factory beadlock wheels, the air tanks for the factory tire inflation system, a look at the factory portal axles, and under the hood is the 5.5 liter bi-turbo V8 making 700 horsepower. On the inside, the white leather details go all throughout, including the lower part of the dash, steering wheel, door panels, front seats, back center console, white Alcantara on the A-pillars, the full headliner, a fridge in the rear, glasses in the rear center console, vented rear seats, heated rear seats, illuminated door sill, Harman Kardon surround sound system, a look at the tire inflation system in the headliner, carbon fiber on the center stack, center tunnel, on the grab bar, and on all the doors, diff lock buttons in the center, a look up at the other insane variant of the G-Wagon, the G650 Maybach lawn delay, and a POV look from the driver's seat.